Today we are going to study English first lesson, the best Christmas present in the world. The narrator or author went to junk shop in Bridport looking for a roll top desk. The junk seller informed him that the desk he picked up was made of oak. The narrator found it cheaper than the other he had seen. Although the desk was not in proper shape, yet the bought it and started working on it. He took out the damaged cover, observed that water and fire took a while. Opened the drawers. He opened the drawer easily, but for the last one he had to apply force because it has jammed. He took out a tin box with a note on it with instructions to bury the letter with her. Out of curiosity, he read the letters that mentioned the address of Lady Macpherson, who was the wife of Jim Macpherson. It was written in pencil. He read the letter. Jim Macpherson was happily narrating an accident which was from the battlefield. It was Christmas morning, and they were standing in their trenches in a battlefield. He observed a white flag waving from the side of German soldiers. They called out Happy Christmas loudly to each other. Soldiers from his side also wished them back cheerfully. However, the air of confusion was opening them to share snaps and sausage. About 12 soldiers started coming towards them in no man's land. You understand no man's land? The place between the two borders of the country where no men are live. Initially, the narrator was apprehensive at the made no efforts to stop them. He was rather happy that they were celebrating Christmas with his enemy, soldiers. He further added that he liked the way the German officer came towards him and introduced him. He wished him Happy Christmas and told him that he should play the cello in the orchestra. Mr. Macpherson greeted him and replied that he was a school teacher from Dorset. He shared rum and sausage. It means before joining the army, Mr. Macpherson played the cello in orchestra, and Mr. Dorset, Mr. Macpherson, he was a school teacher. He spoke almost perfect English. He was surprised to see the Dusseldorf speaking good English and knew about Dorset, where he never went. He never went to Dorset, but he know about everything about the Dorset. The source of his information was from reading English books. He know about the Dorset from his English book. They discussed Bathsheba, Gabriel, Oak, Sergeant Troy and Dorset. His family includes his wife and one son. The letter read as the narrator had the best time with the enemy celebrating. Next, the fun element was game of football. They made goalposts by hitting great posts. Hanswolf and Jim Macpherson wanted to resolve the differences and would not harm their families. Macpherson was sure of winning a game of cricket. The game was won by Germans, and to his surprise, Hanswolf admitted that their goal was wider than theirs. Soldiers of both the